Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with Xfinity Mobile. Xfinity Mobile is a wireless service provider available at xfinity.com/mobile. They offer a variety of plans and services to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a single line for yourself or a multi-line plan for your family, Xfinity Mobile has options to consider. Their website provides details on their coverage, pricing, and device compatibility. You can explore their various data options, including unlimited data plans, as well as options for shared data. They also highlight the flexibility they offer with their by-the-gig data plans. This allows users to pay only for the data they use, which can be a cost-effective solution for light data users. For those who require a significant amount of data, unlimited data plans are also available. Xfinity Mobile emphasizes the ability to switch between data options as your needs change, providing flexibility and control over your monthly bill. They also promote their 5G network coverage, promising faster data speeds and a more reliable connection in areas where 5G is available. Furthermore, information on device availability can be found on their site, allowing customers to purchase new phones or bring their own compatible devices. Xfinity Mobile frequently offers deals and promotions on both their services and devices. Checking their website regularly can help you find potential savings. They also emphasize their customer support, aiming to provide assistance with any questions or issues you might encounter. In addition to their online resources, you can contact them directly through various channels, such as phone or online chat, for personalized assistance. They often showcase customer testimonials and reviews to highlight their service quality and customer satisfaction. Overall, xfinity.com/mobile offers a comprehensive resource for exploring Xfinity mobile services and making informed decisions about your wireless needs.